Here we have the Faithfull double-sided diamond sharpening stone. It features a 400 grit coarse finish on one side, and on the other side has the 1000 grit fine finish. It comes applied with the rubberised mount, which has the 3 feet at the bottom there, which enhances the grip when being used. You can use this wet or dry. It has the adjustable turns here to make sure you lock the diamond stone in place when in use. This is the 8-inch plate, but these adjusters allow you to fit smaller or larger plates in the mount. Diamond stones are also ideal for sharpening things like carbon steel, high-speed steel, and also tungsten carbide. They can also be used to abrade ceramic tiles, glass and porcelain, and can be used dry or with water as a lubricant. And of course, this can also be used for general purpose sharpening of things like plane irons, wood chisels, TCT blades, in fact anything that needs a sharp edge. As well as the 8-inch diamond stone, it also comes with a very handy fold-away file. Now this features a 400 grit coarse finish file on one side, and on the reverse you've got a 600 grit medium finish. This can fold away nicely, and they can both be stored in this handy carry pouch. Keeping your tools sharp is absolutely essential, and this premium kit from Faithfull will ensure that you can do that. It offers performance and longevity over a traditional oil and stone and will be an essential part of your toolkit.